Hello, my name's Wendell, and I'm going to show you how to make a comic book cover using Marvel Create Your Own. The first thing you want to do is get a good background going. I've picked this explosion because I think it's very exciting. It's a good background, it catches the eye. And in the foreground, you can pick what your character's name is. In this case, I'm picking Captain America. Here at the dialog box, you can click the bubble and type in your subtitle. I'm choosing Danger on the Home Front, and I'm hitting the caption. That's going to go here. And now I'm going to pick my character, Captain America. You can use the zoom tool to blow him up, and you can use these pose files here to pick which pose you'd like. Also, right now he's kind of at a worm's eye view. You can go here in the middle and make him a little bit more level. Then you can, of course, rotate him to face the reader. Action-packed, ready to go. Looking great. Then you go back to page, and there you have your comic book cover. Now, it's a pretty fairly conservative design, but sometimes that's all you need when you're introducing your character. This is Captain America, danger on the home front. He's running towards the danger. Explosion in the background. He's ready to go. So that is how you create an eye-catching cover for your Marvel Create Your Own comic book. Have a wonderful day.